Thinkific versus Teachable, what you really need to understand.
Okay, so if you are just starting out with online course creation and you are looking for a free option, Thinkific actually provides a completely free plan where you can create up to 3 different courses and you can have unlimited amount of students. It is really amazing. Teachable doesn't have this. They used to have this, but they don't have it anymore. And what this basically allows you to do is just create the courses and have them on the platform, and you can actually sell them, and they don't even take any processing fees, which is very cool. However, you don't really have any marketing features, so really it's just create the courses and have them on the platform and sell them. So if you want to have a little bit more advanced features, then you need to go with the basic plans. And as you can see here, when it comes to Thinkific, you have the basic plan for $49 a month.
By the way, I have created a document of 50 best growth hacks used by the biggest marketers out there. Check the link below.
And then on Teachable, the basic plan is $39 a month. However, at first you might think that, okay, Teachable is $10 less, so I should just join Teachable. However, when you really look into it, Teachable actually charges you 5% transaction fee, which honestly is quite a lot. When you really think about it, if you are selling an online course for $200, which is a pretty common price, then from one payment, Teachable is going to take $10. So even after just one payment, it's already going to be the same. You're going to be paying $39 plus $10, so it's going to be the same as Thinkific, $49. And hopefully you're selling more than one course, so this 5% transaction fee is actually going to add up quite a bit. Also, when it comes to other features, more or less I would say on the basic plan the features are kind of the same on both of the platforms, but however there is one very important distinction, and it really depends how you're going to be using these platforms, or rather how you're going to be doing your marketing. But for Thinkific, as you can see here, you have affiliate reporting on the basic plan. So what it means is that you can create an affiliate program where your students can join the program, and if you have really good course and they're really happy, they can recommend the course to other people and you just pay them commission. And then you don't really need to do anything. You're getting new students for your course by referrals, and this is what personally for me, when I started out, this was very important because I did have a lot of really happy students and they would share my course with other people, and then I would get sales coming in without me needing to really do anything. So if that is the case for you as well, if you really need affiliate program, then Thinkific, it's very cool with Thinkific that they actually provide that on a basic plan. So for me personally, if I would be starting out again, and I use pro account now, but if I would be starting out and I would be short on cash and I would just go with the basic plan, then I would go with Thinkific just because they do have affiliate program. And other than that, I don't really see anything that Teachable has in the basic plan that Thinkific doesn't. They do have 5% transaction fee. That's what they do have.
By the way, I created a blueprint for the best business model out there, so check the description.
So after that, if you decide that you want to go to a pro plan, and to go to pro plan, by the way, you probably will only want to go, there are some features you can go through all of them, but I would say the main thing why most people are going to go to the pro plan are the different payment options. So you can actually bundle different courses, you can have payments over a certain amount of months, and you can also customize your checkouts and things like that. So if this is something that you know you will need or you will want to have on your course platform, then most likely you will want to go right away with the pro plan. And then the affiliate program, as you can see, integrated affiliate marketing, that is included on the Pro plan with Teachable as well. And the price for that is $119 for Teachable, and for Thinkific it is $99 per month. So when it comes to all of the features that come with the Pro plan, honestly, I don't really see any features that Thinkific has that are a major deal breaker that Teachable doesn't have, or the other way around. So I would really say that at the end of the day, when it comes to features, I don't really see a difference between the two platforms. One thing I would say to keep in mind is the integrations. So you can go to the list of the different integrations each of these platforms has, and that what that means is if you're using, let's say, a specific tool for your marketing, let's say you're using marketing automation or something like that, you might want to see whether Thinkific or Teachable have direct integration with that tool. Because this is just going to make your life a bit easier. You can always use Zapier. However, a Zapier, that might be just another monthly fee if you're depending how much you're using it, it might just add up to more fees. So let's say if you're using a certain email marketing software, Teachable might not have integration, but then Thinkific might have integration. So it really depends. Just something to keep in mind, important thing. When it comes to everything else, you can kind of go through the websites, I would say, and see for yourself. Personally, for me, I would say Thinkific has a little bit nicer design, but I don't want to just say that Thinkific is definitely better design, because honestly, when it comes to design, it's all about personal preference. So do just go quickly through the websites and you'll get that feeling. I would say that Thinkific is a little bit better. But at the end of the day, really, when you look at the features, what matters the most, the features are pretty much the same. The design, I would say, more or less is pretty much kind of same looking as well. So really, you kind of just have to decide what suits you better in terms of price, and it looks like Thinkific is better in this case. So I hope you found this video useful. As I said, I do have discounts for both of these platforms, so check out the links down below in descriptions. I do also have a full video of all of the different platforms going really in depth, so check out that video on my main channel. I will leave a link down below again.